60 psi. Fuck. Alright, let's tighten this up. Oh shit.
Let me try to put my foot on it. So
Okay. There we go. Just that one. Okay, hold it.
yeah.
Alright, that one's done.
Ow.
Do this one here. That one.
Oh, shit.
Sorry, man.
Go ahead.
There we go. Last one here. Sorry about the sweat spots here.
Damn, you actually are dropping sweat.
Alright. I think that's it.
Is that good?
Yeah. Alright, let's hopefully this thing won't die on us. Alright, let's put
won't fucking start rolling off the car once we start going.
Alright, let's put this shit back.
Lower the thing first.
Yeah, no, hold on. We got it. Lower down a little bit.
You want me to take this out?
Oh, no, until I get lower. Until
Right.
this thing is on the ground.
Alright. Oh, it's on.
It's on the ground. You can take it out. Nope. Got a long way to go. Is it even? Oh, it's still.
There you go.
Oh, that was fun. Alright.
And alright.
Make sure. Tighten this shit.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I'm moving the fucking car.
No.
Alright, that should do it.
Alright, hopefully.
Well, hopefully it will last about 5 miles.
At least until we get home.
Yeah, alright. Let's put this shit back. I don't know which piece goes which, but I know for sure this one goes here. And this piece. Where did I pick up this piece?
Isn't it right here?
Yeah, that's what I think so too, but maybe. Oh yeah, that's kind of.
Yeah, there you go.
It's like a
Oh,
puzzle.
but I think you have to put the jack first. It goes right here, right?
Yeah. Oh, I gotta close it. I gotta completely close it first. Alright.
What was this piece from?
Oh, that's just to hold it.
Oh,
Hold it in. Wait, where did the jack go?
right here. In this space.
Upside down?
There it is.
Oh wait, yeah, now I know. And then it'll go like something. No, wait, hold on. You know Tetris?
Sure. Want me to figure it out?
Yeah, go ahead.
I play Tetris.